Good morning and a beautiful morning to you. I hope you're having a smashing day today. Sadly leaving Belogradchik, which has been really lovely, peaceful, quiet village with quite a few things to see in the surrounding countryside. There's the caves, which one of which I took you. There's actually several caves. Only took you to see one. The fortress in town, and there's amazing landscapes and mountains around. It's very the wasp trying to get in the car. Sorry, amazing landscape around here, and the village is lovely and peaceful. Where I've stayed, which I finally found, met the owner the evening, because when I turned up on the day, I think see a couple of vlogs before, I turned up at the accommodation, there was nobody there, but I let myself into a room after thinking I had the right place and dumped all my bags, then went out for the day. When I came back in the evening, the owner was there, I was in the right room and in the right place, and it was only €20 a night, and it's slap bang in the middle of the village. So from the accommodation, it was a mere 10 minutes uphill walk to the fort, 5 minutes back down, and 5 or 10 minutes into the town centre. There's not much of a centre here, and it's a lovely sleepy village. Walking around at night, nobody around, as you can see by some of the photographs I've taken. Lovely, quiet and deserted. But today we are leaving Belogradchik, which is it's a sort of place that you could chill out and mellow for a little while. There's not a great deal going on, but beautiful countryside. It's a very peaceful place to rest, and I do recommend you could do it in a day trip from Sofia. It's about 176 kilometers, I think. So a lot of people do come here on a day trip, but I would recommend staying overnight. You do get a much better experience and enjoy the sunset. We had a great sunset over the mountains. But without getting too distracted, we're leaving. We are leaving. Well, eventually going to be leaving, and heading from the north of Bulgaria towards the south of Bulgaria. Going to go round Sofia and down to Rila Monastery, which is another one of the more well-known tourist places, or visited places in Bulgaria. So we've got quite a long journey ahead of us. It's not a huge distance, but you can't really zip along on a lot of these roads, and we'll probably get a little bit of traffic around Sofia. Try and go around it as much as we can. Yes, so that's it for the day. Let's grab my bags, pack them in the car, get the aircon cranked, because it's already 27 degrees this first thing in the morning. But we got a beautiful day. Let's go for a drive. Wonder if we see more aeroplanes on the way. It's been a beautiful journey so far. Gone through some beautiful forests and twisty, tiny roads, but the last hour been roadworks. Been slower and weaving away through and lots of traffic. But now I've actually got to traffic lights at roadworks where I'm stuck. So, bit of patience. Bit of patience. And here we are in Rila Monastery. It is amazing. Beautiful hills around here as well, an amazing building. Now I'm hoping I'll be able to stay here for the night, but the reception doesn't open until 6, so I've got 10 minutes to wait and find out if I can stay in the monastery for the night. In the meantime, let's have a quick look around. Okay, the office opened at 6:15, not known for their time at the monastery. Anyway, but the bad news is they have no space for me. So I have no bed for the night. I can't stay in the monastery, which would have been amazing and so peaceful and quiet. So I have to go out and hunt myself a place to stay for the night, come back, look around the monastery in the morning light, and get some food. Anyway, well, after not getting a room in the monastery, just wandered down behind the monastery. There's some shops, a restaurant, and then a little bit further, maybe 100 meters, there's a hotel. They have a single room for them, only just a big hotel, and it's 55 lev a night for a single room, no breakfast. Let's have a look and see what my 55 lev got me. Okay. Next, after dumping all the bags, you know what's next? Getting some food. Now I think there's a restaurant here which has a river view, so I'll check that out. And there's a restaurant just up the road, so I can leave the car, walk to them and chill for the night. Let's go and see what we can find to eat. Good morning! I am breathing in the lovely, fresh morning air at Rila Monastery, right beside Bulgaria's biggest mountains, with a river down below, the sun flowing through the trees, blue sky. It's going to be another beautiful day as we explore Rila and the surrounding area.